we were in Stony Brook on one of my husband's sabbaticals. We met a couple of very nice people, Lou and Rose Kozer. She took enormous umbrage at Irving Howe when he wrote The World of Our Fathers. And I know that her husband, Lou, and Irving were friends. She said, "The world of our fathers? Stage, where's the world of our mothers?" she said. And she began interviewing Italian and Yiddish older women in New York. My husband and I had been in Sardinia, in Italy, for close to 2 years. He was doing his field work there, and I knew Italian, not too well, but a little, and certainly I knew Yiddish, so I said, "Let me help you." And I began to help her translate the interviews of Italian and Yiddish-speaking women. And then it suddenly hit me. I said, "Rose, how can you do a book on the world of women without a cookbook?" I said, "You know, in Jerusalem, on a shelf in my kitchen, there's a book, and the next person that comes to the States from Israel, I'm going to tell them to bring the book." And that's when they brought the book, and I began to read it seriously for the first time. And a love affair. Her attitude, her Yiddish, which was Germanish Yiddish, it's Austro-Hungarian or German, and the kind of, everything came back from my Auntie Sonia, from my mother, from my Auntie Rivke, from the whole family, the words, the sayings, the how to do it, how to make it. It all spoke to me. And so after I retired from teaching at the David Yellen Teachers College in Jerusalem, I said, "No, I'm going to take my time and I'm going to translate it." And I actually had the book, and I had it rebound because it was in bad, not a great condition. And I began to read it, and I just said, "I got to do this for myself." And I did it for myself. And one thing led to another.